2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, running boards, Bose sound system, heated seats, navigation system, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, front, HomeLink garage door opener. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.